Hello, this is Nonna Maria. Hi! And today I'm going to bring you a Sicilian, well, the way my mom used to make pasta and potato with a touch of Calabria, because I'm going to add andouille. So, of course, potatoes, peas, always peas in Sicilian dishes, pasta, andouille, Calabrian sausage, but it's like a cream. You take the casing out. Parsley. Of course, I got my little tree that I put in the refrigerator just like that. My daughter's idea. Beef broth. I'm gonna add ham, honey ham. Where is it? Onion and sun-dried tomatoes. And 100 grams of pasta casarecce. Casarecce pasta is called this type of pasta. See? Imported from Italy. Okay, let's begin. It's already hot. A little olive oil. See, I remembered to take the little thing. And we add some onion. Okay. Let it soften a little. The water is already boiling. We salt it. Never forget to salt it. See, it's right there, the pasta. And now we add the pasta. Today 100 grams. They look so little, not even 100 grams.